in this video we will see how to install Adobe Fonts in Creative Cloud. So guys, if you want to install the Adobe Fonts in the Creative Cloud, so you just follow this video. For this guys, first of all you go to the your Adobe Cloud. Okay, if you want to search if you want to search the application, so you also search your application here, but there is a one bar shows here. This is the shortcut bar where you can access of your Adobe Fairly, then Adobe Express and Frame.io AI, and here you see the option of open Adobe Fonts. So you simply go and simply click it and just wait it will redirect you to the browser where it give you the proper page of your fonts. Okay, if you want to get the sample of texts, so you simply go and search for your text. Here you resize, here you can short. Okay, now if you are interested any of them, so guys you simply go and add it to the family. Okay, it asks for the sign in, so you simply sign in and you get with more than 500 fonts for free and upgrade later to unlock even more options. Okay, so this is the way that you can go do. And guys, here you see that it's automatically locked in me, and if I want to use this, so I'm simply go here and it is available with CC. Okay, so now here you see this is my fonts and this is the way that you can use. Okay, and guys, here you go for your manage fonts. Here you can check your favorites, your library, everything is shows here. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.